Forex market situation update. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Friday, last day on our calendar week. We want to go right into it. The euro versus the Swiss franc. We've been here not too long ago. I believe that was 3, maybe 4 days ago, where I was telling you about what we were suspecting as a false breakout, a fake out of this pair drilling below 109.22. Price was kind of finding a bottom and beginning to come back up, and when it came back up to this point, that's where I was here, right, a few days ago, telling you that I suspect price is going to come back in a nice fashion, in a nice turnaround that will lead into an opposite move, into an upside trend that will basically chase the previous highs, right? And what I also said was that we're going to take it slow at the beginning, just testing the water, so to speak. We got in with a $3,000 position, and I also said that the intentions are to build a decent sized position going forward, but we need proof that this is a fake out. We weren't sure at that point. We were highly suspicious, but we needed some guarantees, so to speak. And for us, guarantees were price crossing over 109.22 and starting to base itself above that level. So let's take a look what happened here over the last few days, couple of days I should say, actually 24 hours to be exact. Yesterday price came strong and broke back in, right? Broke back in, closed the daily bar, as you can see, 109.28. Today, guys, price started on the back foot, right? And actually crossed below 109.22 for a while there. But that turned around, right? Price action turned around quickly and started to push itself off that level, leaving a bit of a mark on its way down. So it looks like this breakout back in is legit. I also want to show you something interesting coming from the monthly chart. Check this out. Remember I told you that I think that by the end of the month, all we'll see here was just a spike, evidence of that struggle, of that battle, but eventually 109.22 will hold and price will basically go back in. At this point, this is the first stage, so to speak, of the backing away, of the pulling back move that we're witnessing right now. The next step would be turning around, remaining inside of the range, and just casually keep trading sideways, right? Not sure for how long, but it doesn't even matter. The next leg, that's what matters. And I think we got that dial in. And hopefully we can catch quite a nice move of more than 130 pip, right? 130 pip. I mean, we're already about 30 pip in. So yeah, it should be really interesting to follow up on the situation here. Here's an update. I mean, that was the update. Let me give you some details as far as actions that we're about to take. First, stop loss level deserves an adjustment, right? Right now it's very deep at 108. We can safely push the stop loss level by 50 pip to 108.50. All right, that's a first. Second, it's time to build up the position, right? It's time to throw in, to load up that position. So we're gonna throw in $4,000 on top of these three, so we're gonna be up to $7,000. And this journey is relatively still in its early stages. So who knows how much, how big we can push this position to. We should take notice of 109.89, right, as a potential resistance. So we might even use that level to take some profit off the table. but we'll see. In the meantime, guys, I guess that's about that for the Euro Swiss update on this one. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be back with the next one, so stay tuned.